Let's get started. In this video, we're going to create an enemy, create a new area node. And that area node has a child, which is a collision shape. And that area node also has an animated sprite. The collision shape should have a circle shape. I'm going to switch into 2D mode and zoom in on this. The animated sprite will have an animated sprite frames. Click that. We're going to add from the enemy ships, and you can choose which one you want. I'm going to add in Skullhead. Click open. It has 2 horizontal frames and 1 vertical frame. I'm going to select them both. I'm going to select autoplay, this one. Then area 2D, I'm going to rename to Skullhead. I'm going to save this into scenes as Skullhead. Add some script. The script for this is going to be the same as the script for the projectile. I'm going to copy that into here. The speed though is going to be 200 and the direction is going to be left. Go into my world, add in a bunch of skull heads. Hit play. The skull heads move to the left. There's no collisions yet. If you want them to move in a more interesting manner, you can position.y equals sine position.x times delta times 2. That was wrong. It should be plus equals. And now they move in a sine wave pattern. You can reduce that sine wave by removing that or multiplying it by a smaller value, 5.4 for example. And then they wobble, but not too much. That's our enemy. If you want more enemies, just put more in. You can make this level as long as you want. The level is going back, the enemies are moving to the left, the player is actually static within this area. In the next video, we'll look at collisions.